just here? No, this is the Dominican Republic, also in the Caribbean, but quite different. Today's dish won't take you much time at all. The Dominican Republic is a Caribbean nation that takes up about 2/3 of the island of Hispaniola. The other third is occupied by Haiti, its only bordering country. After Cuba, it is the largest Caribbean nation at 48,000 square kilometers. The Republic was originally inhabited by the Taino peoples before the island was discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1492. In fact, Santo Domingo, the nation's present-day capital, was Europe's first permanent settlement in the New World. During this time, the land was important to the gold rush. 400 years later, due to a treaty signed after the War of the Pyrenees, Spain had to succeed the island to France. 8 years later, a rebellion was formed, and backed by the British, returned the land to the Spanish. After a brief union with Haiti and a war for independence, the Republic was formed in 1844. The Spanish tried to recolonize, and the United States occupied them, but eventually the Dominican Republic became totally free and independent. As a Spanish-speaking nation, the Republic is part of Latin America. It is the most visited destination in the Caribbean, and it is not hard to see why, with its pristine beaches and tropical climate. More than 10.5 million people live there, and the capital city is Santo Domingo. For this you will need 4 green plantains peeled and cut into rounds, 4 tablespoons butter, salt to taste, 1 onion, a couple tablespoons of vinegar. Place the plantains in a large saucepan. Add water to cover and a big pinch of salt. Bring the water to boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the plantains are easily pierced with a fork. Drain, reserving the liquid. Add the plantains and a little of the reserved boiling water to a large bowl and mash with a potato masher until fairly smooth. Mash in the butter and enough of the remaining reserved water to give the mangú a consistency a little stiffer than mashed potatoes. Saute a thinly sliced onion in butter or oil until it is lightly browned. Stir in a couple tablespoons of vinegar and a bit of the mangú boiling liquid. Simmer for a minute or 2 and season with salt. Serve over top of the mangú. Season to taste with salt and serve hot. Wow, the onions, they're sweet. The onions are sweet. I mean, the plantain is almost like potato. It's got a really nice texture. It's like a mashed potato almost. Pretty tasty.